Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making wakame salad. It's a simple, healthy side dish that's perfect for any meal. Enjoy the quick and delicious salad. You will need 3 tablespoons of dried wakame seaweed, lettuce. For the sesame dressing, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of toasted white sesame seeds. Step 1. Soak dried wakame for 5 minutes and drain. Step 2. Wash the lettuce. Pat it dry with a paper towel and tear it into bite-sized pieces. Step 3. Put all the dressing ingredients in a small bottle. Put the lid on and shake to blend. Place the lettuce and wakame on the plate and pour the dressing over. I hope you enjoy this healthy, tasty wakame salad. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.